Meaning of Fortran.
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 Fortran. Fortran is a programming language that was developed in the 1950s for scientific and engineering applications. The name is short for formula translation, as it was designed to enable users to write mathematical formulas into code, which could then be translated into machine-readable format. Fortran has evolved over the years and remains a popular language for scientific computing due to its efficiency and numerical accuracy. Its legacy can be seen in many modern coding practices, and it continues to be used by a wide range of industries and organizations.